In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hostinger's platform and set up Facebook Pixel. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Hostinger's website by typing in hpanel.hostinger.com. This is where you'll begin your journey in managing your website effectively. Once you're on the home page, the next thing to do is look for the Websites tab. You'll find this in the main dashboard, so go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page where you can see all the websites you're currently working on. It's incredibly handy for keeping everything organized and accessible in one place. Now, once you're on the websites page, you'll see an option that says Edit Website. You'll want to click on that to proceed. Editing is a crucial step as it allows you to tailor your site to fit your brand, whether you're making minor text tweaks or more significant design adjustments. So, click on Edit Website to move forward. As you navigate through the editing interface, it's important not to miss out on any additional tools or settings that could enhance your site's functionality. Look for the More option on the Builder interface. This option is incredibly useful for accessing additional features that will help you customize and optimize your website further. After clicking More, you'll be presented with several different options, one of which is Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. Hostinger's platform comes loaded with numerous apps that can be instrumental in extending your website's capabilities, from contact forms to analytics tools. Now, here's where things get exciting. Look for and click on Facebook Pixel. If you're not familiar, Facebook Pixel is a powerful tool for tracking visitors to your website and gaining insights into their behaviors, which is invaluable for fine-tuning your marketing strategies. This feature allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. Once you've reached the Facebook Pixel settings, you'll need to add your Pixel ID, which you can generate from your Facebook business account. This step is essential because it links your website activity back to your Facebook campaigns, giving you access to a wealth of data. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps, you've successfully navigated Hostinger to set up Facebook Pixel for your website. Implementing this can significantly boost your website's performance and marketing acumen. Be sure to save any changes before exiting to ensure all your new settings are applied. Thanks for watching and happy website building.